In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Duolingo account permanently on your phone. So let's get started. First, open the Duolingo app on your phone and make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. Once the app opens, tap on the three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap on the profile option. On your profile page, tap the settings icon in the top right corner and then select the profile option again. Now, scroll to the bottom of the profile settings page and tap on Delete Account. Next, wait a few seconds and then tap Delete Account again to continue. A confirmation message will appear asking you to confirm the account deletion. Tap once more to proceed. After confirming, you will receive an email. Follow the instructions in that email to complete the deletion process, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful and easy tutorials.